merdeka akan tercapai pada 31 hari bulan 1957.
Tungkulah sejak dapat naik ke pentas utama, orang ramai berebut-rebut untuk bersalaman dan ucap tahniah kepada Tunku.
At Masjid Jami LRT Station and we want to go Dataran Merdeka. Where Dataran Merdeka?
Dataran Merdeka is not just a symbol of independence, but a vibrant hub of national pride, where Malaysians gather to celebrate and connect with their shared history. From grand parades to cultural festival, the square continues to play a pivotal role in the country's social and political life. We explore the stories, events, and people that have shaped Dataran Merdeka into a cornerstone of Malaysians' identity, where history and the present day interact in a celebration of freedom and unity.
Perpustakaan Kuala Lumpur is the central library located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur.
Dataran Merdeka or Merdeka Square is one of the most historically significant sites in Malaysia. This iconic square, located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, has witnessed the birth of a nation and remains a symbol of freedom, unity, and the enduring spirit of the Malaysian people. It was here, on the 31st of August 1957, that the Union flag was lowered, and for the first time, the Malaysian flag was raised, marking the end of the British colonial rule and the dawn of a new era. Nowadays, the square remains a public space where people gather to reflect on the past, enjoy the present, and envision the future. The flagpole that proudly stands today, one of the tallest in the world at 95 meters, represents a historic symbol. It serves as a powerful reminder of the struggles, sacrifices, and the unwavering determination of those who fought for Malaysia's independence. Here, at the heart of Dataran Merdeka, stands an iconic symbol of Malaysia independence, a towering 95-meter flagpole and also a Malayan flag, which stands as our national pride. Dataran Merdeka is a living monument, forever rooted in the history of Malaysia's struggle for independence. We will always be reminded of the enduring spirit of Merdeka, of freedom, unity, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. This square once belonged to a colonial power, now belongs to the people, representing their hopes, dreams, and the unbreakable bond that unites them as Malaysian. Dataran Merdeka, a place where history was made and where the story of Malaysia continues to unfold one generation at a time.
Sultan Abdul Samad Building in Kuala Lumpur, a masterpiece of late 19th century architecture that stands as a testament to the ambition of the colonial era. It was built in 1897. This building is a stunning example of Moorish revival and neo-Gothic architectural styles that elaborates a design that reflects the colonial fascination with exotic and aesthetics. The clock tower, one of the building's most prominent features that symbolizes both the authority and the modernity of the British administration in Malaya. Its towering presence and ornate detailing were meant to convey the strength and stability of the colonial government. As a symbol of the British Empire's ambition and the technology advancement of the era, the Sultan Abdul Samad Building stands not just as a historical landmark, but as a reflection of an era where architecture was used to exert influence and showcase progress.
So this is Sultan Abdul Samad Building, featuring a grand clock tower with a blend of Islamic and colonial architectural elements.
Today, this architectural gem continues to capture the imagination, reminding us of a pivotal chapter in Malaysia's history.
Dataran Merdeka also is a symbol of national identity and cultural symbolism to Malaysia. Every 31 August in every year, the square become a focal point for Malaysia annual Merdeka Day celebration. This celebration feature many of energetic display of cultural performance, parades, and traditional dance, highlighting Malaysia's diverse of cultural heritage. This event also brings together people from various ethnic backgrounds, including Malays, Chinese, Indians, and other race and religion, celebrating their shared national identity of Dataran Merdeka. The square also is a significant public space that hosts various events beyond national celebrations. It hosts a variety of events from public protests and political gatherings to cultural festival like sports event. Have a look at this. This is Royal Selangor Clubhouse. The building is located across the Sultan Abdul Samad Building and in front of the Merdeka Square.
So, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. And today we are at Masjid Jamek, which is located near the Dataran Merdeka or Merdeka Square. So today we have a few of our guests for today, and I would like to ask you a few questions.
Yes, okay.
So can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about where you came from?
Okay, my name is Roger. I'm from Australia. I come from Perth. I'm retired. I was a high school teacher. And now I've just retired and I just travel.
Oh, you are traveling
Just
around
traveling.
here.
This is my third visit to KL.
Third visit.
Yeah,
So how long have you been around here?
I came last Sunday.
Last Sunday. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Thank you. So next question. So what brought you to this place?
Here
What brings you to this place?
to KL or to...
To the Dataran Merdeka.
Oh, I'm just doing a walk around from Chinatown,
Oh,
following a walk.
just walking around
Yeah,
lah.
walking around there.
Oh, okay. It'll be fun. So next question. Can you describe about your initial impression or your overall experience around here?
First of all, it's very clean.
Very clean.
Very clean. The streets are very clean. Lots of food places.
Oh, great food.
Lots of
You
food.
like it?
Yes. I actually came to KL to eat.
To eat.
I like to eat.
Yes.
So I come here, I go to restaurants and
To enjoy the food, right?
yes, enjoy the food, yes.
Yes. So next, have you go around the Dataran Merdeka? Have you walked around there?
Don't think so, no.
Don't think so. So actually, what do you think about the design of the overall architectural design of the building?
Of this building,
Ah,
yes, it's very beautiful. It's very symmetrical.
symmetrical.
Very symmetrical. I love the arches.
You want to take that photo just now, right?
Yeah,
Or you want to visit there?
if I can see
If
it.
you can, but I think
It's
you can
okay.
only, you can only see it, right?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Okay, it's
So
fine.
this is very nice.
Oh yes, nice looking building.
Beautiful, yes. Colours nice.
Color is nice, right? So any memorable thing that you can think of when you visit this place?
Just how for me, who's not Muslim, it's so interesting.
Yes.
That's right. Yeah.
For your non-Muslim, you might think this is interesting, right?
Yeah, very
Very
interesting.
interesting. So that's all from me today, and thank you very much.
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Hi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. So today we got our Singaporean, which is our neighborhood fellow here. So before I start asking him a question, I just want to ask you, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your connection here today?
Okay, sure. So first of all, my name is Nas. So what's your name?
Oh, my name's Alif.
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 I'm Nas.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, bro.
So actually, I'm from Singapore here, and today I went to this Merdeka Square with my family just for a holiday.
Okay.
Next question.
Oh, so the next is what brought you to Merdeka Square today?
Oh, actually, I planned my trip here with my family to visit this Sultan Abdul Samad building,
Oh.
just to gain some memories, great memories with my families, and we stand these mesmerizing pictures of here.
Oh.
Merdeka Square.
So the next one is were there any specific aspect of culture of Merdeka Square that stood out to you?
So this Merdeka Square, more likely about the Sultan Abdul Samad building, is very it's a unique building that have some old memories with its big clock tower, and it's just very historic to be here.
Okay, the next one is how do you think about the architectural building around this area?
Architectural building. So as you can see here, the architectural building is more like a colonial building, as the old school one, and brings out some old memories that you vibes from. So actually, I went here with my grandfather actually during my 5th grade. So it's very memorable lah.
Yeah. Okay. The last one is would you recommend this place to others? Why and why not? Why or why not?
Why or why not? So absolutely, I would recommend this place to other tourists as well. This place really brings out a lot of memory. You can witness this Merdeka Square, and that united the 3 major races and other races as well. So it's a very nice place, very beautiful, and you can have a nice photo here.
So thank you for your contribution.
Yeah, sure, Salid.
As we reflect on the significance of Dataran Merdeka, we are reminded of the words of Malaysia's first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman, who said, "The independence of our country was not given to us. It was won through the efforts and sacrifice of all Malaysians." These words remind us that the essence of Dataran Merdeka is not just in its past, but in its vibrant role in the present and future.
So now you want to go?
We are at Dataran Merdeka. Okay, so you can see here Masjid Jamek and
James Bond.
Dataran Merdeka itu a person